Hello everyone, and let's begin our journey in social share extension development. So first of all, we need to create a base folder for our Magento 2 module, and let's just do it. All Magento modules are stored in app code folder, app code, and then there is a vendor name and the exact module name. Vendor is basically a module provider, for example ScandiWeb, ScandiVA, and so on and so on. So we need to create folder etc in module root, and what else, and then there will be a registration PHP folder file. So let's create etc folder here, and let's add a module.xml file. Nothing too crazy, just let's copy paste it. There how the base module XML looks like. Basically it says the vendor name and the module name. Let's create registration PHP file. Here it is, new file, registration, also nothing too crazy, and also copy paste it. The same as model XML, just a few lines with a registration component, vendor and the module name. So now we need to enter the CLI and run setup upgrade. Let's do that. I'm running create Magento app. Run CLI, and let's run setup upgrade. It takes some time. Hopefully it's going to work, and we will see the model name in our output. Current cache, updating schema. Boom, something happened, and where is our, yes, here it is, our newly created model. So thank you Magento and everyone who watched this video.